What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I absolutely love mag loaders, and I have had the Maglula Uplula mag loader for a long time. They save your hands. They make it so much easier to reload, especially at the range, so that you can have more fun, get in more practice. You're not stripping your skin off your thumbs or anything like that, and I think they are a worthwhile investment. Now, this is actually by R-Surge, and it's a speed loader, and I thought I would check this out because it's available on Amazon. It's cheaper than some of the other mag loaders that I've had by a considerable margin, almost a third cheaper. And so I thought it would be cool to see if this sucker actually works, if I am pleased with its performance. It comes with a little Allen key there. I'm not actually sure why. I think that this is probably designed in a certain way so that it doesn't infringe on any patents. And one of the things that it has here is actually a really nice compact design. You can see we have these little wings that fold out. We have this other bar under tension that's going to kind of push the mag back. So instead of, this little feed ramp here kind of pivoting forward, it's just going to push the mag all the way to the back to kind of slide that out. And then you have this little stop here, which is going to kind of keep the mag from just popping all the way up there. So I wanted to try it out on my HK VP9 magazine here. It's kind of your standard double stack. And let's see, if we push it in here like this, maybe takes a little getting used to because the Uplulas are so nice, but you kind of push it in here like this, and then you're going to kind of retain it with your hand in the back here. But if I do that and I push down, look at that. I mean, that all looks pretty good. The funny thing is, if I release it here, you can see it kind of flips out. So in some ways, that's actually nice. So when you're done, you can just release it and that sucker shoots out. So I have some regular just ball ammo here, enough to fill up this mag, and I thought I would just try it out here. So it goes in just like that. Oh, pretty clever. Okay, so when I release it, it pushes it back, and you can see how far forward this pivots. And then if I push it back in, you can see that this little guy down here kind of keeps that mag low so that it slips underneath that little feed ramp there. And then, I'll tell you what, this works pretty darn well. Like I said, I kind of expected it to be designed this way to avoid infringing on any patents, but I would say that, I don't know, maybe it's just designed this way to work well, because it does. This is pretty clever, man. I dig this, and it's a little different. I mean, it's a little different than the other speed loaders that you are probably familiar with, and I would say that my hand has to work a little harder because I've got to pull this magazine in here. So instead of just pressing down, you're also squeezing a little bit. So, in terms of overall ease of use, it may not be, less work by your hand, but from the standpoint of affordability, portability, because I think it's just smaller, it definitely has its advantages too. So, like I said, if you wanted these for, your range bags and everything, the thing is completely full, and this is what it looks like. So, I'm pretty impressed with this. If you want to pick up the speed loader, I would definitely recommend it. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.